In this video, I'm going to show you how to do picture-in-picture in DaVinci Resolve using the DVE effect. By the end, you'll be able to place the effect on a chosen clip, place the clip wherever you like on the image, change the appearance of the clip, and add a border of your choice. So, let's learn. Okay, let's jump straight into it. Click on the Effects tab in the top left of your screen and you can use the search icon to search for the DVE effect. When you found it, drag it on top of the clip that you'd like to apply it to, and you'll know it's been applied when you can see the stars in the bottom right hand corner. Then go to Inspector in the top right of the screen, make sure that you're on the Effects tab, and then you can scroll through the numbers 1 to 6 there to change the position of the clip on the screen. I'm going to put this clip in the top left of my screen, so if I just go to position 2, just there. You can then change the size of the position using Z position, as you can see here. Position X changes it along the horizontal axis, and position Y changes its position along the vertical axis. Just putting it into position here. A bit more. There we go. Now, if you want to change the colour of the border or the appearance of the border, scroll down until you get to the border feature and click on it. As you can see here, you can change it to any colour you want, so keep an eye on the bottom right there. I'm just scrolling through the colours. I'm going to keep it on grey though, so I'm going to change it back to grey there. You can also change the appearance of the border using the curved corners feature just here, as you can see. And you can also change the width and height of the particular clip using these features here. Drop shadow also helps you to stand the picture-in-picture clip out from the background. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what videos you'd like to see next. Until next time, stay curious and never stop learning.